argue that point?
Well, the whole idea here is to help the economy for everybody. And this is an opportunity. It's about public health for sure. It's about vaccinations and testing and all of those things. But it's also about an economic recovery that everyone can share in that recovery. And those are the investments that are included in here. And I think they're in hand in glove. I mean, I just don't see those as separate, because the idea really is, how do we have an economy that can thrive post-pandemic, and communities that can thrive post-pandemic. And yeah, the pandemic did some damage, but there was a heck of a lot of damage before the pandemic ever hit. And this is an opportunity for us to plug these communities in, clean these communities up, and allow them to participate in the growth that's going to come. So the bigger strategy is, if you take a step back, is hopefully after this, we have a robust infrastructure bill where we really start rebuilding the country. I mean, our country needs rebuilt: water lines, sewer lines, roads, bridges, schools, infrastructure, ports, blah, on and on and on. So this is a first step into that by getting money to the local communities. I think it's the first step in a broader package to rebuild the United States of America, which is what Joe Biden promised he would do. And in the COVID bill here is a down payment to make sure that every community can participate in that. And this has been 30 years. I mean, I just get a kick out of these, folks who are saying like this, this has nothing to do with the pandemic. It's like, okay, we've got communities that have been completely left behind by globalization, by automation, by inequality, by terrible trade and tax policies that left people behind, and the government had absolutely no response to help them. Now we're trying to take steps to repair that, and this COVID bill is an opportunity to take that first step.
And the $15 minimum